In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a locked Doordash account. If you're suddenly unable to log in, don't worry, most lockouts are temporary and can be resolved with a few careful steps. I'll walk you through what to try first, what to expect during security reviews, and how to get help if the lock doesn't clear on its own. Start by resetting your password, either in the app or on the Doordash password reset page. This is often the fastest way to regain access, especially if the system flagged an unusual login attempt or if your password was entered incorrectly too many times. Use the forgot password option, follow the prompts, and create a strong, unique password you haven't used before. After submitting the reset, check your inbox for the confirmation email and make sure to look in spam or junk folders if it doesn't appear right away. Once you've updated your password, try signing in again and give it a moment for changes to sync across devices. If your account is locked due to security or suspicious activity, there may be an automatic review in progress. In that case, wait up to 24 hours for the system to complete its checks. This safeguard is designed to protect your information, so patience really helps here. During this time, avoid repeatedly attempting to log in, as multiple failed attempts can extend the lock. Keep an eye on your email for any messages from Doordash, since they may ask you to confirm recent activity or provide simple verification. If you're running into verification issues, double-check your internet connection first. A weak or unstable connection can prevent codes from being delivered or accepted. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure you have a reliable signal. Then resync your phone number in the app by confirming the number on your account is accurate and capable of receiving texts. If you've changed numbers recently, update it, request a fresh verification code, and enter it promptly. If your account remains locked after these steps, reach out to Doordash support for manual assistance. Contact them through the help section in the app or via the support page on their website. When you get in touch, briefly explain what happened, note when the lock began, and include any on-screen messages you've seen. This helps the support team verify your account and clear the lock faster. A quick tip before we wrap up: many temporary locks resolve automatically once security checks finish. Give it a little time, follow these steps carefully, and you'll typically be back in your account soon.